Some Android users prefer open source applications because such applications typically includes a license that allows programmers to modify it to best fit their needs and also control how the software can be distributed. Furthermore, open source applications tend to be secure since anyone can view and modify it, spot and correct errors or omissions that even the original developers might have missed. And to top it all up, these applications or softwares seem to be more stable, so even if the original developers stop working on them, you are sure to not lose anything and you can rely on them in the long term. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 free and open source Android applications which I believe you will never let go. Like this PDF reading application which goes by the name MJPDF. What I like about this one is the auto scroll feature with its adjustments, zoom lock which locks the document at any zoom percentage, inbuilt screenshot feature. And if your document is full of text, you can make use of the dark theme, one-tap copy. It is a pretty unique PDF reading application. I actually have been using this as my main PDF reading app and it's always smooth. It has no ads, which is also one of the advantages of open source applications. It is a free app, so I suggest you try it out. Another unique open source application which I would like to show you is this very simple and lightweight video editing application called Open Video Editor. So this is for those very simple basic video edits for social media posts or short videos to share with friends. And what I like about this application is that you can see the edits you've made and take some out while keeping your editing progress. So with this video, for example, I added grayscale filter first, cropping and then adding text and also trimming. By tapping on the layers icon, I can just take out the grayscale, unlike other editing applications which you have to undo multiple times to do that. You can trim, change resolution, add text, crop, and even use the grayscale feature as I mentioned. It has very basic features and the UI also makes the usability friendly. And finally, when exporting, you can change the speed and frame rate. So it is an awesome experimental application which I think you should try. Still on editing, this open source application comes as an all-in-one tool for images. It has all the basic image editing tools and also some next level tools like image background remover, generating color palettes from images, which is my favorite since I'm a graphic designer, image stitching, which combines 2 images into one, watermarking, compressing images into zip files, deleting EXIF metadata from images. You could go more advanced with converting images into GIF, working with PDFs or combining images into a PDF, recognizing and copying text from images with OCR technology. I could go on, and the application itself is well developed. The UI is awesome. You could actually have this application on your phone and all image editing issues and even pretty advanced issues will be sorted. It is free, it has no ads, never lags, and just give it a try, you will love it. The remaining applications on this list can be perfect replacements to some default apps, so before we check out the next one, I'll appreciate if you consider subscribing to the channel if the information you've received so far has been useful. We know most default sound or voice recorder applications on several Android phones lack better functionality, has less features and also have pretty boring UI. So if you want to change to it, enter Voice Recorder by Fossify, which is built on Material U theme and changes its theme according to the current wallpaper. It serves you well with crisp and clear sound with the voice recording. There are some settings which will definitely be needed, like changing the bit rate and also recording audio into MP3 instead of the AAC and AMR formats on the default voice recording applications. Having the option to move items to recycle bin instead of deleting permanently, and even choosing the storage folder for the recordings. I've mentioned all these because most default voice recording applications do not have them. The Now Playing UI is also great and looks similar to that of a music player application. And just like most open source applications, it is smooth and has no ads, so this can definitely replace your default sound recording application for sure. On the left is the default weather application on my phone, and on the right is Breezy Weather, a free and open source weather application. Even though they both provide weather information, for added features and functionality, better UI for the cherry on top, I'll definitely choose Breezy Weather as my go-to weather application. The tiles give details of various elements of the weather. The appearance and notification settings is also available for tweaking, which is hardly found on the default weather application. So if you're a weather enthusiast, you will definitely find this application friendly. Not forgetting the widgets it comes with, so you can definitely replace your default weather application with this one. Some takeaways from open source applications include simple and clean material use themes, no ads, smooth functionality. They are very stable. Most of them easily adapt to system themes based on the material use design which they are built on, and they are generally customization friendly. One downside is most of them are outside the Google Play Store, which can be a concern for some users, but from trusted third-party app stores like F-Droid and even Droidify, you won't need to worry. If you love the information from this video, don't forget to leave a like and also consider subscribing to the channel, and then click on the video at the end screen for more best standard applications. And as always, thank you for watching.